how to Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 35. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to use theme editor in WordPress website. What is theme editor? Every theme has their theme editor. If you are good at designing, development, coding, okay, JavaScript, so you can even create your own WordPress theme. Yeah, it takes a time, but you can create according to there are lots of big companies who have their in-house designer developer, so they create according to their need. Okay, they don't need to depend any paid theme and nothing, because everyone has their own goal, own opinion and the audience. You must have seen big websites, okay, their layout different from another. You can't see any paid themes also, so they created as per their requirement, okay, their need. Same you can do. You must, for that you need a PHP knowledge, okay, functions knowledge, hook knowledge. So all this takes a time. We don't have a time because we want to start our business and we want to serve our services to our clients. So for that we just need to know little bit about theme editor. So where you can see theme editor option, just let me log in my WordPress panel, and the same on appearance you can see theme editor option, and just click theme editor. So you can see there are lots of PHP files, okay, just click I understand. Make sure you don't delete, or anyhow don't delete anything, because once you delete your website will be start showing error. So make sure don't delete any code or any line, just keep as there as. Okay, now there are lots of things you can see: theme functions, okay, PHP header, footer. So main function, suppose if you want to connect Google Analytics code in your website, so you just need to go here header.php, because Facebook code, say Facebook pixel, Google conversion code, and a Google webmaster code, Google Analytics code, Pinterest code, Yahoo code, all comes in header. So you just need to go, you need to click header.php, and before this tag okay, greater than, hyphen, head, less than, you just need to add all this code and just nothing, do it and just update. Once you update, now you can check your all codes working or not through their panel. Suppose you want to check analytics working and properly installed, you just need to log in analytics and check real life traffic. Okay, so only just without any like backend, you just go to theme editor and you can change. If you want to change a top level, you must have a knowledge about designing, development, because all are the designing and development thing. You can see PHP file, all this, so you must have a knowledge about PHP too, and CSS also. There are lots of CSS file, cascading style sheet. So I'm not recommend you, like you don't need to any pilot testing and don't do anything, just keep as there. Okay, so my motive is just because once you create a website, you will definitely try SEO for your client or even for yourself. So you need to know where you have to add your all this code. So all this code comes there. If you don't want to add codes, you can go even index.php. You can add footer.php. even in the add of the body you can add your code also, you can add footer also. So here the footer.php, you can add your code in footer also. So hope you like this video. I was trying to explain you everything, so all are the practical step by step I'm trying to teach you. Hope you are liking my course. Don't forget to give me a review, okay, because your review boost my confidence and my knowledge level also. So I'll see you in next video. Thank you.